Okay, friends, it's math time, and we are going to really focus on trying to memorize those doubles today. If you can memorize doubles facts, it helps you add other numbers. And we'll get to things like near doubles later as another really efficient strategy for adding and subtracting. But I'm going to give you a quick example. If you know that 2 plus 2 is 4, then that might help you add things like 2 plus 3. Because if 2 plus 2 is 4, and you know that already without having to add or count on, you can say, oh, well, I know 2 plus 3 is 5 because 2 and 2 is 4, so 1 more is 5. Okay? So we're going to practice learning those doubles facts today. Look at card A. I want you to get out your cards, and if you cut them into little cards, that's great. If you didn't, that's okay too. Just make sure that you have these out in front of you right now and your recording sheet. Look at card A. What is the double here? Well, I know the total is only 2. So there's 1 I plus 1 I. How many altogether? 2 I's. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So you can take your pencil, and on that recording sheet where it says card A and it has a space for a number sentence, I want you to write 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay, easy peasy. Go ahead and do that. Now let's look at card B. If you listened to my morning bundle walk already, then you saw me do this one. But when I look over on this side, I see 3 tennis balls here and 3 tennis balls in the other can. But if I want to know how many tennis balls there are altogether, 3 plus 3 equals, there's your clue. You can look at it, almost looks like the number on a dice. And that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So over on your card, on your recording sheet, you're going to write 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good. Let's go to the next page, or the next cards. This one's kind of hard to see, but it's a monster truck. How many tires does the monster truck have altogether? 4, like most vehicles, or most cars, I should say, or trucks. It has 4 tires. But what would the double fact be for this truck? 2 here, 2 here. So on where it says card C, I want you to write 2 plus 2 equals 4. Ooh, now look at this next one. There's a carton of eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 eggs on this row. And it looks like a matching row over here. So that must be 6 too. 6 plus 6. Well, if you don't know what 6 plus 6 is already, you should count. But first, if you already know there's 6 on this side, you can say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And that's an important double to remember. So on the recording sheet for card D, I want you to write 6 plus 6 equals 12. If you ever need extra time, friends, to do your writing, it's always okay to pause this video and then just hit play again when you're ready to keep going. Here's another one. Now, some people might think that this is 2 plus 2, or 1 plus 1, because there's one hand here and one hand here. But how many fingers are on my hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers on this hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 5 plus 5? How many fingers do you have all together? 10. So this should be kind of an easy one. Find your card E on your recording sheet and write 5 plus 5 equals 10. Great job. Next, look at that spider. How many legs does a spider have? Did you say 8? If you did, you are correct. A spider has 8 legs. How many are on this side of the spider? If you said 4, you are correct. How many are on this side? 4 more over here. That's why we call it a double, because we're doing it twice. So 4, 2 times, like twice, you double it. When you double something, you do it again, or you make it 2 times. So 4 plus 4, write your number sentence for card F. If you wrote 4 plus 4 equals 8, then you are correct. Okay, now card G is a little tricky. Sometimes when we're in the classroom, a lot of kids get kind of confused on this one. How many days are in a week? I see a calendar here. It says January. How many days are in a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's one whole week. There are 7 days in a week. But in this picture, I see 2 weeks. There's one on the top that goes to 7, and there's a whole nother row of days that goes to 14. So 7 days plus 7 days equals. On your recording sheet, please write 7 plus 7 equals. Did you say 14? If you did, you are correct. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Okay, now look at this one. How many dots are on this 10 frame? If you said 10, you are correct. And how many dots are on this 10 frame? It's full, so we know it's 10. 10 plus 10 equals, did you say 20? If you did, you're right. On your recording sheet for card H, please write 10 plus 10 equals 20. Now, these ones can be kind of tricky too. We're going to look at 2 branches from a plant here. How many leaves are on this branch? Well, first there's one in the middle. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, looks like they doubled it. So 9 plus 9 for card I. 9 plus 9 equals, let's do that one together. Say 9. 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I counted 9 more. 9 plus 9 more equals 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. That's another double. And your last one. Friends, remember, if you need to pause or go back, you can do that. If you need to ask someone to help you do that, that's okay. But you shouldn't need a grown-up to help you do this work today, because I'm here doing it with you. All you need to do is pause your video if you need more time. Last one, I see a box of crayons. You have to count so carefully. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 crayons in this front row, 8 crayons in the back row. 8 plus 8, that's a double. What does 8 plus 8 equal? 8. Now let's count 8 more. Ready? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Write that on your recording sheet. Friends, there is a video on my slide that you get to see every day on Seesaw. There's a video that will help you remember your doubles. It's a rap song about doubles. Doubles, doubles. I can add doubles. Go ahead and go watch that when you're finished, just to give you some extra practice. I'm really proud of you for working so hard, friends. This is not easy to do when we're apart, but keep up the good work.